If you want a compact, standalone CCTV setup without the need for DVRs or NVRs, edge recording cameras are the best choice. And today I'm breaking down the top 5 models you should consider in 2025. Edge recording simply means the camera stores video directly on an SD card or its built-in storage, making installation extremely easy for small homes, offices, rental spaces, and temporary setups. Camera number 1 is perfect for users who want premium quality. It offers sharp 4K resolution, AI-powered motion detection, and strong night vision, giving you clear footage in all lighting conditions. Whether it's a doorway or a garage, this camera captures detail you don't want to miss. Camera number 2 is designed for stealth. With its miniature size and spy-style design, it blends into clocks, chargers, and other objects. It's ideal for discreet indoor surveillance where you want monitoring without drawing attention. Camera number 3 focuses on communication and smart alerts. It includes two-way audio, letting you speak remotely through the camera, and it sends real-time mobile notifications whenever motion is detected, making it perfect for home entrances and offices. Camera number 4 offers the best of both worlds, edge recording plus cloud backup. Even if the SD card fails or the camera is damaged, your footage stays safe in the cloud. This double-layer storage makes it great for businesses and sensitive locations. Camera number 5 is the best budget option, delivering reliable 1080p recording, easy setup, and dependable performance without extra features you may not need. It's ideal for users who want simple security without overspending. All 5 cameras support motion-triggered recording, SD card redundancy, and remote access via mobile apps, giving you flexibility and complete control from anywhere. In 2025, edge recording cameras have become smarter, more reliable, and more affordable. Whether you want a hidden camera, a high-resolution outdoor unit, or a simple plug-and-play option, edge recording provides independent, cost-effective, and intelligent monitoring without needing a full CCTV system. These cameras work perfectly on their own or as part of a hybrid setup with NVRs or cloud services.